pledge. I recognize. Tobacco is the greatest monster of all time. Killing millions across the globe. Tobacco singly causes several killer diseases such as lung cancer and cardiovascular events. Therefore, I pledge to abstain from the use of tobacco and to battle the tobacco epidemic. I pledge to spread awareness about the hazards of tobacco to the population. I pledge to lead a healthy tobacco freestyle. I will